Good afternoon, folks. Today's experiment is going to consist of we're burning a wax cotton ball, which we had showed you how to make in a prior video. Our wax cotton balls, actually we place one stick match inside the cotton ball just to help the ignition out. What we're going to do is we're going to attempt to boil water in a reasonable period of time, 1 cup, with nothing but the wax cotton ball. The water temperature is starting out at 63 degrees. I use, just for a little stovetop, a cat food can or a tuna fish can with proper ventilation holes plugged out with them. And then what I will do is I will start the wax fire starter cotton ball. I have a timer right here. We'll start the timer. I'm going to place this over the wax cotton ball. Place this here, and I'm also going to place the lid on this. This will actually help accelerate to a boil. I'll show you where we're at 18 minutes and 53 seconds. The wax cotton ball is still burning, and I will remove the top off of this, and you now will see that you have 1 cup of boiling water at a temperature of 196. And I'll take another shot of the temperature again. And there you go. You have boiled water with a wax cotton ball at a time of 19 minutes and 30 seconds.